Hey folks, it's Chad here at Stouffville Toyota. Another beautiful trade-in I wanted to show you today. It's a 2019 Sienna CE. As you can see, it's the white exterior. It has the gray cloth interior. Alloy wheels on it. Tons of space for the family. You got the rubber mats down there. You can see the car is very well maintained. Back here, so you do have the original mats for it. The rubber mats are in there, so you will get two mats with the vehicle. It's well maintained. Looks like it hasn't even been used in the back there. This particular Sienna is a 7-passenger. I'm going to give you some more information on the vehicle. So this Sienna has only 43,000 kilometers. It's in great shape inside and out. Has Bluetooth, rear view camera, climate control. So it's very well equipped. Why don't you come on in, check it out for yourself, take it out for a test drive. Send me an email, chat@stouffvilletoyota.ca, and we'll set up a time to do that.